Hello everyone, welcome to Byju's exam prep. Today I'll be sharing an important tip to reduce calculation in data interpretation. बहुत सारे लोग कैलकुलेशन को लेके परेशान हैं सर, कैलकुलेशंस कई बार हमारे को बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगा रही है एंड वी आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन डीआई सेक्शन. सो कैसे कैलकुलेशन को रिड्यूस करा जाए एक क्वेश्चन से समझते हैं. सपोज व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेट्रोल कार्स सोल्ड बाय कंपनी ई टू द टोटल नंबर ऑफ डीजल कार्स सोल्ड बाय कंपनी एफ पूछा है. ठीक है, मैं क्वेश्चन समझा देता हूं एक बार. Total cars sold by all the 6 companies together is given as 1.7 lakhs, and what else is given to us is for A company it is 29% of 1.7 lakh, for B company it is 18% of 1.7 lakh, for C company it is 14% of 1.7 lakh, and so on so forth. ठीक है, so different companies का share in the total sales is given to us, and what else is given? This table is giving us number of ratio of diesel to the petrol cars sold by the different companies. For example, if I talk about A company, number of diesel cars sold by A company is how much? That is going to be 9 by 9 plus 8 is going to be 17 of 1.7 lakh. So that is the number of diesel cars sold by A company. So that is something which is given in the question. The agenda is not to solve the question, to understand something very important. So if I look at this question, what this question is asking is, what is the ratio of the total number of petrol cars sold by company E to the total number of diesel car sold by company F. So first of all, if I want to calculate total number of petrol cars sold by company E, that should be 9 by 16 of total cars sold by company E, right? So 9 by 16 of total cars sold by company E, and company E is selling how much car? That is 16% of 1.7 lakhs. No need to solve anything, right? No need to solve anything, just write down whatever is given here. Similarly, what is the total car sold by diesel by company F? So company F is selling how many diesel car? That is 3 by 5 of total car sold by diesel F company, which is 10% of the total. So which is 10% of 1.7 lakh. Now if you see some magic here, everything will get cancelled out. No need to solve anything. Percentage of 1.7, this cancel out, right? 16 cancel, 5 2s is going to get cancelled, so this becomes 3 3s. Answer is 3:2. So no need to solve anything, just by writing the things you can easily cancel out everything. So if the question is of ratios or percentage change, please don't solve till the last, because most of the time things will get cancelled out. Let's do one more question on the similar so that we understand it better. Okay, so this is one more question here. Total number of diesel car sold by company D is approximately what percentage of the total number of cars sold by company F? So how many diesel car company D is selling? We want to calculate the percentage, so multiplied by 100. So how many diesel car this company is selling? Yes, everybody, diesel car sold by company D this time is 8 by 13 of total. So 8 by 13 of total cars sold by company D, and company D is selling how much total? That is 13% of 1.7 lakhs. Once again, no need to solve anything because everything will get cancelled out. And total cars sold by company F is 10% of the total. So 10% of 1.7 lakh. Please don't solve till the last so that calculation becomes easy for you. So percentage of 1.7, this will get cancelled out. 13 cancel. This becomes 8 by 10 into 100. What is 8 by 10? That is 4 by 5. And 4 by 5 is 80%. So answer here becomes 80%. And it becomes very easy for you. So please remember this tip, that yes, if the question is of ratios or percentage change, please don't solve till the last, because most of the time what happens is majority of the things will get cancelled out and your calculation will reduce drastically. One more announcement, please don't forget to join us live on 18th of December right after your examination. We will be live telling you the section wise analysis, expected cutoffs, memory based questions. We'll be discussing the questions, good attempts, everything on our YouTube channel. तो अभी तक अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन दबा दो, so that you will not miss any video and you will not miss this analysis also. All the very best for your examination.